Adding and subtracting decimals with number chips. This is the Thanksgiving version. And this is a digital lesson. It's a lot of fun for the students. They can move the number chips around their screen. The directions are on slide 2. And students are going to start on slide 3. So every number they need is at the bottom of the screen. They have to move the numbers into the correct place by looking at the decimal point. So here they're adding 8 and 2/10. So to move the number chips, they just click and hold on the edge, and they can move it into place. So if the students are getting toward the end of the problem, the numbers aren't working, they know they made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So here they need to know that this needs to be a 0, and then 1 and 34/100. When they add together, they get 9 and 54/100. So again, they use every number on every slide. Now, if you'll notice this, there's a letter in a yellow heart, and on the very last slide, they're going to solve a riddle by matching their answer to this letter. So they can do the same thing on the next few slides. They have to be very careful on here and make sure they're lining up the decimal points. And it gets a little bit more difficult as they go. And then there's a couple subtraction problems. So again, when they get to that very last slide, these are all the answers they should have gotten on the previous slides. They're going to go back and they're going to look and see what letter is in that yellow heart, and they're going to type it here. That should solve the riddle, what smells the best every Thanksgiving dinner. So this is adding and subtracting decimals, the Thanksgiving version.